Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Idol's Guide to Fall, chapter 14. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the game. Everyone seems to be getting excited. The first game, all of Siren team members successfully escaped, and Ava team, Song, Singting, and Gusishi failed to escape. So the first round of the game is Siren's win. Siren team captain Windy welcomes Ava Will's battle. After in the end of the round, everyone seems to be a winner, but of course, it was Windy who's taking a lead with them. Then, I'm going to be merciless, Windy said to them. Look at her, she seems to be happy. On round 1, the rock scissor. I just need you to answer my question, Windy said to her. Well, Windy, she's being energetic and also she become merciless. Red beans can be made into red beans and potatoes can be made into mashed potatoes. I love mud, you. Oh, this is really great. What is the task of my sister? Why are you still telling others earthly love words? So it turns out she really want to find the questions. How do you say I love you in your hometown dialect? Now, she's been defeated also. Turns out she really win that game. All of them got defeated. Well, you will choose the truth. To be honest, do you hate me or like me? Windy said to her. Well, definitely right now. These really tricky questions. Of course, I like it. Well, it was a triple kill at this moment. Windy. She wins all right. Of course, right now, it was Wang Shu who got curious and also noticed. It's her hidden mission, the same as mine. So it turns out the two of them are having a both same task. Round 4, the last player, which is Windy and Wang Shu will face each other. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen if Windy can still win on Wang Shu's side. I just don't want you to face Wang Shu. In the end, I only work as hard in the front. It always feels a little embarrassed to say I love you to me. I choose the truth. My sister asked me a questions. I could take opportunity to say that I love her. Well, definitely Wang Shu. She was really planting something against Windy. Now she is getting smarter. I have nothing to ask. I admit defeat. Wang Shu, she don't want to get defeated. Wait a minute. Of course, Wang Shu. She knows that things gonna happen. Of course, Windy is getting shy towards her. Wang Shu, sing me a song that express love in the lyrics. Well, Wang Shu, look at her. She was smiling and she was really happy. She is going to start to sing a song for her. But for Wang Shu, she will give her best to save her. She drew back her hand and said, I love you. Like the meteor chasing the moon. Well, that was sweet, right? Everyone seems to getting interested. I know that the only direction is to fall. Well, right now, she was singing gracefully. Let's see on what will happen. It seems that everyone was looking at them. I know I'm going to fall ahead. Captain, stick to one false one. Oh, everyone, they look really excited. It seems that she was not moving around, looking for Wang Shu. dream that you gave. Well, that was sweet thing, right? Especially right now. Wang Shu, she really serious about this matter. It seems that the lyrics is really nice to hear. Wang Shu, she looks really serious, and she was only looking at Windy. Windy, of course, right now. She seems to be happy while listening to the lyrics. Oh, everyone seems to be satisfied. It sounds nice. Everyone is praising Wang Shu. Thank you, everyone, Wang Shu said to them. Well, everyone in the room is really praising her. She's really good, right? Final harmony is perfectly matched. Although the last games Windy fell, well, at the present, the demons and the angels are tied. Captains of the two teams, please come out. The honor of the team is guarded by the captain, and our third game is Team of the Brand. You need to be serious. Come on, captain. As a captain, it's better for me to let her. Windy said to herself, now, let's see on what will happen. It seems that the game is really getting interesting. But suddenly, Windy, Wang Shu came over her and said, sister, here I come. Now, she want to catch her. Looking at Wang Shu, she was rushing to get her. But of course, Windy, Wang Shu is going to trick her again. Well, let's see on what will happen. Sister has been taking passive defense is deliberately letting me to win. Wang Shu said to herself, well, she really knows about this. Now, Wang Shu, does my sister let me do this? As a child who was not grown up, Wang Shu said to her. Now, she really wanted to tease her. She moved closer to her. Then, you have to be prepared. I have to be serious. Windy said to her. Now, it really makes sense. Windy, she's getting patience over her. Now, Windy come closer to her and hug her tightly. Well, definitely, this is really teasing and also a little provocation. Well, right now, she deliberately crook her. The winner of this game is the one who's the smartest person and also the trickiest. Let's see on who will win this time. Now, Windy said, alas, of course, she is really getting tricked. Well, Wang Shu, she was really great at this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!